Hi, we almost to reach Shillong after few hours. It is just approximately 10 to 15 kilometers far away from main Shillong. So, hi everybody and those who are coming to help and coming to encourage. Thank you for your support and giving me honor, Hambai. So, abak sing him light tongo, monglo abak sa terik grading light tongo. Or ni je natural, te or ni je climate na de. See the climate of Meghalaya is changing in a moment. It's fabulous. It's different kind of experience. So climate is changing in a minute. So Bahai Bilko, Advocate Bilko. Apil.
Jus masak. Sini Shillong ni takut senang tu belai jus kazak sun.
So kena, saya sini na. Kena Alu Godam Shillong ni semicang ISBT Jorahim lain nai 6-7 kilometer. So jauh tu Shillong ni khazane takut tu bukuk song. Norok dara oje historical movement ni part engna hingga ke. Jottono wati fight ka jottono khana 9 8:30 থেকে 9টার বিশিগনো জottono rok reading na bagai no kobago loge okhil botono okhil kisa sade
khana jottono kaise koimong sin Shillong ni all Shillong ti prasa tai YTF DSF jottono TCF khana by 7:30 gathering nai seng algonamu
7:30 9টার সিমিং লাইনে
guys satan hoti gathering ngai by 8 o'clock so move pani aro
Hambai yang bukuk jok bukor sa faijak yang sin chakra sate mui tongphayo morok silai teinai des norok khakinai boni bangrauno desni sima desni joto kisu problem moni bangraun sutoi balbagi tonghesi getabuk moni hai bangra krak lokhitongo bagai belai ke satu tungkai matongo waktu ini bagai baksa Shillong ni waktu yang kita waktu man berhenti no problem saja. So bye, thank you. Jadi Alu Godam soknas kangga nagi ni won tong nai, nakai jara malai nai, kok salai nai, joton fai mano. So Hambai, thank you.